Good day. My name is Najih Saraj. I'm a front-end development. I'm in front-end development department with ALX. This is my capstone project, the final project we have at the end of every program. So my project is about a library, an Arabic library on Ibn Hajar's work, a scholar in Islam, which specialize on hadith from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the project is about the library is about all these books that are most of the books are kind of expensive to get for students who are just learning. So I try to solve the problem as I'm one of them from one of the students that's not getting the books are very hard for me. So I had to come out with this idea to help my fellow students getting these books in a library, since everyone is in this era is having the chance to have a phone or a laptop or a device, let me say in general. So I create this project to make things easier for my fellow students. So the functionality goes thus: searching for a book, you can type any form of books you want, any type of book. This is just the beginning of the demo. Four books at first. Three of his books, and one of the book I'm writing by myself as a student of a school also, Arabic parts related to hadith. So three of his books are here. So you can search for any of his books. Like, let me search for the first one. Search functionality. Like, search functionality goes this way. Ta So this is how it goes. If you search for a book, and since the books are still coming more, so you say Korean, like there are many books coming later. That's why I put the placeholder for them to have for the books to come. There are up to like 450 books to be included in this library. So that's how that's search functionality. Then for the about page, that's an Maktaba. So it goes thus this and about the book, the Risala to it, my Miza, and everything I use about Tailwind CSS, React JS, uh and the contact. Like, if you want to make inquiry, then if you want to check the code for the project, it's here inside GitHub. Now, so go back to the home page like this. Then going to the library, like the functionality now. For now, my download is not still working yet. There's some bugs behind it, so it's part of process. So while like read now, you have a book now. Okay, you like to read Fathul Bari, then you have to click on it. Then you click. It takes you out to a iframe platform that you can read your page. For example, now you can go back to the page to select a book. You can pick parts that you want to read about from. There are plenty parts under this book, part one, part two, and this one is saying اختر الجزء. Choose a part, then you choose a part, then to show here, then you can download easily from here. You can print easily from here. When you click on download here, it saves straight to your device. So when you print, it prints. You use normal printing to PDF, and so on. So you go back to your home. Then there's some this about page as my footer and everything and everyone. Thank you very much. This how I've gone. This is the long I've gone, and more still coming to complete the project. Thank you very much.